All right, here's the completed 10-inch rigid tool. I saw somebody else do this. I thought it was pretty cool. I did bluing on this part. I actually did bluing on the wheel, but it didn't take, so I just painted it. But I am finished with this. I've learned a lot on what to do and what not to do. And so I will call this a done project. It's much better than what it was. And the bluing works well if two things. One, if the bluing can take onto the steel. If it's not super smooth, it seems to have an issue, which it did a little bit there. Two, when you do the bluing, perma blue is what I was using, make sure that you dry it and wash it as soon as it's done, because it will rust. I guess it's acidic at some level. But anyway, it's done. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do another one later, but I'm working now on a different project. But I will get this one completed. I think it's okay. It's better than what it was. All right, that's it. Thank you.